Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to this channel. So guys, today we are talking about what you need to be able to start earning as a freelance writer. So those are the things that you need as a beginner freelance writer. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance videos, and personal development videos. If you are if that is the kind of content that you're looking for, please remember, consider subscribing to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get into the video. So if you are out there and you have always wanted to work online as a writer, these are the things that you need. So I'm going to mention them and then discuss them a bit. Number one is the right equipment. Of course, you cannot work online, especially as a writer. I know there are those jobs that you can work on using your phone, but now for writing, that will be very tricky. You need a laptop or a computer desktop. And then another most important thing that you need is a reliable internet connection. Working online can be very stressful and challenging if you don't have a reliable internet. So that is another thing that you need when it comes to equipment. Number two, you need the right skills when it comes to writing, content writing. That is, you need to be able to write grammatically correct pieces. You also need to be very good, have excellent written English. So your English, when it comes to writing, it needs to be exceptional for you to be able to be a writer. That is number two. Number three, you need. So after confirming that you have a laptop, you have reliable internet, and then you have the required skills. Another thing that you need is samples. I have mentioned severally here. There is no way a client will trust you to do their job if they cannot see what you have done before. So when you're starting out, you need to have relevant samples. Like I said in my previous video, which I hope I will remember to link so that you can go and watch it if you haven't. Create three or two or three samples in areas that you love. For example, if you are a home improve, if you love writing in the home improvement niche, have three samples in that area. If it is health and fitness, the same. Those are the samples that you're going to use to start pitching to clients, whether you are going to pitch on platforms like Upwork or you're going to pitch directly. As you continue writing, of course, you'll continue perfecting your skill. So that means you'll be able, like, you should always aim to have the most recent samples with you. So samples is number three. Number four is that you'll have to start marketing yourself. This is also one of the most important, because without marketing yourself, even if you are the best of the best writers, that means you'll not be able to find those clients, then you'll not be able to earn money as a writer. So you need to start marketing yourself. And to market yourself, there are different ways. You can market yourself by creating a profile in different platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour. You can also find jobs on job boards like ProBlogger, where you simply go there, check the job that suits you and apply to them. There is also Indeed.com. You can also check there. You can also check at from Reddit.com and hire a writer. Yeah, hire a writer subreddit. So those are the different ways in which you can market yourself. You can also create a writer website where you put your samples, and then clients, you can always be sending clients there, or your clients can reach you from the website itself. You can also pitch directly to clients on their website or blog. You can also go to different social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Like, clients can be found from anywhere. You can also go to LinkedIn and connect with relevant companies that will lead you to possible clients. So that is how you market yourself. And then so from there you will keep on, you'll start now sending proposals. So at this point now you just have to keep on sending proposals from time to time until you can land that client. And even if you land one, it doesn't mean that you should stop pitching to clients. It only means that you need to continue pitching and get one better client after another. For example, when you're starting out, definitely most of us start at lower rates. So when you get your first client, for example, they might you might charge them $5 for 500 words. When you get the next client, you increase to $10 for 500 words. So that is how you improve. The next step, number 5, is fulfillment. So now you have relevant samples, you have the skills, you have a laptop, you have a reliable internet, and then you have marketed yourself, and then now you have gotten the client. The next big thing is to fulfill that client's needs, and this one will break or create you as a writer. So you have to make sure that you deliver exactly what the client wants, and it is very important that you read the brief. Most clients will send you a brief, and that will tell you exactly what they want. They want their work written, how exactly they want their work written, the style, the tone, the formatting, whether any SEO that you're supposed to include in it, and etc. So make sure that you ask relevant questions. Make sure that you have gotten everything, you have understood everything before you can start writing. At the end of the day, you need to make sure that you deliver pure gold so that that client can rehire you first and foremost, and then secondly, they can also refer you to their colleagues. So number 6, you keep increasing your income. So that means that like I said, if you started at very low rates, you need to continue increasing as you perfect your skill. So always remember that you are a freelancer and you are not an employee. So this is the best part. You need to continue. You are the one who determines how much you earn. Of course, this will depend on your competence. It will depend on how good you are. So don't set very high rates. And when you're just starting out, it doesn't make sense. But when you become good at what you do, definitely increase those rates so that it can make sense, and also so that you can be able to make this a full-time thing if you want. So that is number 6. Number 7, create your own stuff. So after all said and done, it is good to create your own stuff. By your own stuff, I mean create your own blog, create your own ebook, create your own online course, so that you can now start earning from your own product rather than working for people for the rest of your life. So we should always aim to have our own blog or course or anything that belongs to us. And then also I have mentioned on this channel that the good thing with creating your own stuff is that most of these things are they give you passive income. That means whether you are working or not, you can go for a vacation, you can have fun with your family as you still earn money from your blog or your course. So I think that's I have broken down the process, how to get started as a content writer until the point where now you are branching out and creating your own things. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I also hope that you have learned something. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel, click the bell and share me out. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video. Bye.